Hello everyone, today I'm back with another project of crochet. In this we will make a small flower, and for that I'm using this wool and 3.5 size of crochet. I have made a slip knot, and we will start with making 3 chain, and then we will close the loop with a slip stitch on the first chain like this, and then we will make 6 single crochet inside this loop and try to go around the extra wool that you have, so that way we can hide it. After the last single crochet, we will close the first line by making a slip stitch to the first chain. So this becomes the center of our flower, and now we will start making the petals. So take 2 chain and then make a double crochet in the next chain, and second double crochet in the next chain, and then 2 chain, and in the same loop where we had made the previous double crochet we take a slip stitch, and then 2 chain, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, and in the next chain we make a slip stitch to close the petal. And we continue all around until we reach the starting of the first petal. And now I have reached the end of the flower, and will make a knot. You can cut the end, pull through the remaining wool, et voila! And the flower is now ready. If you want, you can cut the end of the thread that is hanging and use it for any project that you want to make with one flower or multiple, this color or additional as you like. So I hope you enjoyed making this project of crochet flower with me. See you next time. Au revoir, bye bye, bisous.